Hi, so for my Periscope, I was starting to plan, thinking I would be creative and use Legos and add the mirrors in. After thinking about it a little more, I figured that would take me way too long, so I figured out a better way. I went and looked to see what cardboard I had in the garage, and I had a soda can box, and there were a couple different tissue boxes and another beverage box, so I gathered those up, and I figured that it was going to be my plan to use those and connect them all to create the Periscope. So as I started creating, I also had Velcro dots to Velcro them and little tiny mirrors that I was planning on Velcroing the mirrors inside the box and used tape to tape all the boxes together. As I was doing it and started to create it though, I put the tissue box, attached it to the one side of the soda can box like this. And then when I went to use the other beverage box, I realized it was too small for the soda can box. So then I went and found another tissue box and used another tissue box instead for the other end. So I was able to rig it up, tape things together. I Velcroed the mirrors inside, and so that was my create part. And when I was creating, I realized that I needed to do something else. Then I went to test it out. It worked, but one thing I noticed was that you could see the light coming through and like the different cracks. So then I covered up the holes with leftover pieces of cardboard and taped over it. And then when I tried it again, it worked. Now there's little tiny pinholes of light, but you can still see what's above you. It's just, if you really look closely, there's little things of light, but covering up the bigger parts really helped to be able to see a little bit better.